Hi, I'm Alan with the Tax Guy. If you're watching this tutorial, you likely have questions regarding where to locate your e-file signature documents, as well as wondering where to sign. I'll be here to guide you through that process.
Let's begin by signing into your SmartVault account. You can find the link within the email notifying you that your tax returns are ready. Click the link here. It will bring you to SmartVault's login page. Here, you will enter your email address as well as your password, and then click Sign In. A browser will open up, and it will lead you to SmartVault's homepage. From here, you can access your available vaults by clicking Files and Folders on the left-hand side of your screen. We'll start with the e-file signature forms for your personal returns. Continue by clicking the tax year you are filing. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are using the 2020 tax files. Then, click Current Year Tax Returns. And finally, click e-file authorization forms. These are the e-file authorization forms that are available and must be signed and uploaded back to your SmartVault accounts. If at any time you wish to access the previous screen or folder, you can do so by clicking the folder names towards the top of your screen. The file name tells you which return the signature form is for. For example, the first one is for your California individual tax return. The second one is for the Connecticut return. The third one is for the federal IRS return. And lastly, this one is for the New York return. Note that some states do not require a signature authorization form, such as Connecticut. However, this form should still be reviewed by clicking into the PDF. To go back, you can click the back button on the upper left-hand corner of your screen here. Next, we will download the e-file forms that we need to print and then hand sign. To do so, click on the PDF that you need, and at the upper right-hand corner there is a blue download button. After clicking the download button, a window will pop up allowing you to choose where to save the document. Repeat this process until all the required e-file forms have been downloaded. You will then have to print a hard copy before hand signing. For the purpose of this tutorial, I have downloaded all the e-file forms. Let's take a look at the e-file federal signature form. Scroll down to where it says Your Signature. This is the line where you need to sign and date. If you are filing jointly with a spouse, you will have to scroll down to where it says Spouse's Signature and date, and have them sign and date there. Please do not sign the ERO signature line. Most e-file signature forms have the same format. Let's take a look at New York's form. Scroll down to Part B, and again, sign where it says Taxpayer Signature and date. Do not sign the ERO signature. After you are done with signing all the e-file forms, rename them so that you can upload them to your SmartVault account. Let's head back over to SmartVault so we can upload our files. Go back to the previous folder by clicking Current Year Tax Files. And under eFile signed authorizations, upload here, this is the file where we need to upload our documents. Click this folder, and you will see that currently the folder is empty. On the right-hand side, you will see a blue Upload File button. Click that, and I can drag and drop the files that I have just signed. So this is where I had signed and renamed the files. I will choose the individual forms that I have previously signed. So I will move my federal form, and then I can continue with my New York signature form, as well as my California e-file form. After you're done, just click Save File, and SmartVault will process the upload. And that's it for my e-file signature authorization forms. I can go back and repeat the process for my business. On the left-hand side, click Files and Folders. I will then access the Vault account for my business, as listed here. Go to 2020 tax files, and you will repeat the process of going to the e-file authorization forms to download a specific form by clicking the blue button where it says download. For those who have businesses, you would have to sign where it says officer's signature and date. For a partnership return, this line will say partner's signature, and only one business owner needs to sign. Assume that I have downloaded the forms and signed them. Let's take a look at the federal S-Corp e-file signature form. Scroll down to where it says officer's signature, that's my signature and the date. And let's go back to SmartVault to upload the files. I can hit back. Go back to the current year tax year to look for the folder where I need to upload. And again, click that folder. Hit the blue Upload File button. And again, drag and drop the folders that I need to upload. Hit the Save File button. And once you see the green check mark, you are done. If you have any other questions, please review our other tutorials or reach out to us via email at contact@drtaxguy.com. Again, that's contact, CONTACT, @drtaxguy.com.